Hello everyone. Yeah, so it'll be better if I
Okay.
introduce myself and you also introduce yourselves, right? Um, the other person who joined besides you, Amitesh sir, what is your name, ma'am? Can I please know your name, ma'am?
Yeah, myself Vandana Mishra.
Ranjana, ma'am. Okay, Ranjana, ma'am. So
Vandana Mishra.
Vandana Mishra. Okay. So I'll introduce myself. My name is Riya Sharma. We can discuss about anything that you all want. But first of all, can we start with introduction? Can we ask for introduction? Amitesh sir, can we start with your introduction?
Okay, ma'am. My name is Amitesh Kumar Bhagat. I am from Nepal. I have done BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Punjab Technical University. Currently, I am working in Maruti Suzuki company in last 2 years as a junior trainer.
Oh, very good. Amitesh sir, you are in Nepal only right now, or you're here in Jaipur?
I'm currently I'm Gurgaon,
Oh,
but
you're in Gurgaon.
I'm basically from Nepal.
Okay, your hometown is in Nepal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but you're currently in Gurgaon, right?
Yes,
How is Gurgaon, Amitesh sir? It's a really great city, right?
yes. Gurgaon, Delhi, yeah, all NCR cities great. Good.
Yeah, let me just admit someone. One second. No, but Amitesh sir, I was saying that it's a very clean city. Also, I've heard about Gurgaon a lot. I've not visited Gurgaon. I've visited Delhi, not visited Gurgaon. It's a great city, right?
Yes, Gurgaon, so many companies are here in Gurgaon.
Yeah, it's an
MNC
industrial center.
industrial area as well. Yes,
It's same as Noida or Gurgaon are different.
Noida is in UP and Gurgaon is in Haryana. But
Oh, no, not
Noida,
location wise, not location wise. I'm asking, like people surrounding, are they same or are they different?
yes, this is all are in cover in NCR city, NCR. So some people in Noida to working in Gurgaon. Gurgaon
Yeah,
people is working in Noida.
they're nearby. You can just come and go from Gurgaon and Noida. Like
Yes,
they're near.
yes. Uh, 2 hours maximum distance, two
Two
hours,
hours
two, three
maximum
hours.
distance. For Delhi people, 2 hours is nothing, right? They travel a lot, so that's not a problem for them. I have a lot of friends in Delhi, so for Delhi people, it's not a
Uh,
problem. Yeah, Vanda ma'am,
I'm
please
assistant.
introduce yourself. I
Sure,
was
sure,
asking you.
sure. I'm Vandana Mishra. Just now I'm posted in Ghaziabad as a tax commissioner, assistant commissioner in commercial tax department. Now it's turned to UPGST.
The name has been changed.
Yeah, it's used to be. I'm a commercial tax officer,
Okay.
Vanijya Kar Adhikari, earlier, and when GST came, then there between two branch like Central GST and UP GST.
Yeah,
So Uttar Pradesh Commercial Department convert to UP GST department.
your job is really cool, Vanda ma'am.
Thank you so
I
much.
mean,
But I
Hi,
Good
ma'am.
evening, sir.
good evening, good evening. Just a second, let me admit.
Hi.
Um, Good evening, okay, sir. This is Ria. I'm really happy. Hello, is this Surekha ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Surekha ma'am, can I see your face, please? I would love to.
Yes.
Can I see your face, please, Surekha ma'am? If you can
please
just,
open your video.
yeah, if you
Yeah,
can.
yeah, yeah.
Hello, Surekha ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
You're enjoying your time. We're
Yes,
just
I have
sitting in a
actually.
room, you're enjoying your time. That's great. Okay, so I was actually asking for introduction. Mukesh sir, can you start first? Then we.
Ma'am, first of all, uh, I want to say my name is Ranveer Singh Shekhawat and I use my friend's mail ID.
Okay, you're using
His,
your friend's mail ID. Okay, so what is the name
yes,
of
ma'am. My real name is Ranveer Singh Shekhawat from
Ranveer?
Rajasthan.
Ranveer?
Shekhawat.
Sir, it's Ranveer. The first name is Ranveer, right?
Ranveer Shekhawat. Yes,
Ranveer
ma'am.
Shekhawat. Okay, so I'll call you Ranveer, sir. That's fine.
No problem, ma'am.
That way we'll go.
And I'm serving in Indian Army
You're
since
serving in Indian
16 years.
Army. That's so cool. That's good.
Yes, ma'am. And since uh, 1 month we are attached on this platform, and in this group, Vandra ma'am and Asma ma'am and Maheshwar is my ideal.
Oh, wow.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm really glad
Because
to hear that.
they are they are always give full effort to remove my hesitation and shyness. It's a very big problem for me, and that's it, ma'am.
Ranveer sir, you're already doing a great job by serving the Indian Army. Few people that were able to sleep well. Thank you for your service. We're really, really fortunate. Also, what happened in Galwan country recently, we were really, really thankful that soldiers were there. Thank you so much, sir. Why are you so interested in English? Like, is it because of your job or because of your personal reasons? Like, there's
Ma'am,
personal interest or job demands it.
actually, first of all, I cleared my 16 years service in Indian Army,
Okay.
and my plan for next year, I give up for my job.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And second of all, I am preparing for RS examination. So it's a very necessity and a mandatory to improve in my English and my personality development.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So, and both are not matching. मतलब, personality development should be improved, but without English, I think I don't be perfect, feel perfectly.
Yeah, that is a requirement, Ranveer sir, because you go in this kind of job, then English is must. Otherwise, so sir, why are you giving up on your job next year? Like any personal reasons, or it's just that you've had a good time for
Like,
16 years, so now I am going and doing
yes, ma'am.
completing.
Actually, ma'am, I'm serving in Indian intelligence, and I performing my duty in field area, and maximum in dispute area, just like China and Pakistan border area, and maximum I don't share little informations in front of this social media, social
Yeah,
platform.
sure, sir, please.
So my parents are very worried since 7 months.
Uh,
The China issues regularly continue going on, and my parents are not मतलब बिल्कुल happy नहीं है, मतलब वो
yeah,
मेरी
they're not
job को लेके वो
satisfied. What about you,
yes
Ranveer
ma'am,
sir? I want to ask you, are you satisfied with your job? Are you happy?
yes ma'am, I enjoy myself मैम, बहुत ज़्यादा मैं happy हूँ, and मतलब enjoy भी कर रहा हूँ, but my parents are very
Your
worried because
parents.
my mom lost in this field her brother. So
Acha.
in Kargil war, so whenever the dispute is created and in border area, they totally worried and totally depressed. So
So much respect for you, Ranveer sir. Your uncle has served in Kargil war also. It's
That's it.
really great, Ranveer sir. If you want to give up the next year, it's your complete wish. But respect for you. And if you're enjoying the job, then I don't think you should give up really easily. But yeah, of course, parents come first, family come first. Everything has to be solved.
yes,
So, Ranveer sir, what all efforts are you giving for the RS attempt?
no, ma'am. Actually, I faced 2018 examination,
Okay.
and I cleared my mains examination.
Okay, you cleared your mains, just the interview.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And 2nd July my interview. Yes, ma'am.
So you could not clear your interview because of English. That is what you're saying.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ranveer sir, I'm just saying that you could not clear your interview because of English.
नहीं 2nd जुलाई को मेरा इंटरव्यू है मैम अभी.
Acha,
But
1 second. So
yes,
you
ma'am.
gave your attempt in 2018 and this coming July you have interview.
Ma'am, it is a
Yes,
very
ma'am.
long process. There is a 3 examination in PCS. First, we will have to give pre, and after 6 and 8 month mains,
No, no,
then
ma'am.
interview.
Vanda ma'am,
So
I
it's
actually
a
know
one
Yes,
about
and a
ma'am.
all of
half year
this.
matlab procedure. If everything is on time, is everything on
Yeah, yeah,
time,
that is what
then
I'm
it is
saying.
one
I
and
know
a half
about this
year.
procedure because
Yeah,
RAS you said, right? RAS.
yeah, yes. It's a
Yeah, I have
Rajasthan
Yes, ma'am.
no,
PCS.
I have actually I have brothers who are serving in RAS currently and who have joined this job. So I know about this process. It's not that I do not
Hmm.
know. It's just that I was shocked that it took so long for them to take an interview. Like 2018, it's
Yes,
about 3 years now. It is a really long
Maybe due to
time.
COVID protocol.
Yeah, maybe due to that.
yes, ma'am.
But
Ma'am, this
generally
interview,
it takes a lot of time for them to do all of this, right?
यदि पूरा प्रोसेस मैम रेगुलरली टाइम टू टाइम होना तब भी
Hmm.
1 साल तो कवर कर ही लेते हैं, 1 से 1.5 साल कवर होता है मैम.
But ek saal is a different thing altogether, Ranveer sir, and 3 years is a really great thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Mona ma'am?
ये फेंक दो अब इसमें. Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Mona ma'am is here too. Surekha ma'am is with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Surekha ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Myself, Surekha Nagir Deshpande.
Surekha ma'am, can we please see your face?
No,
Okay,
me
so
first
why am
time.
I insisting on seeing your faces is because first we are meeting for the first time. So it's really better if you all see my face and I can see your face. Second, that way it will help to improve. You know, your purpose for joining this class today is to improve your English, right? So the
Yes,
only
ma'am.
way you'll be able to improve is by actually looking in the eyes of others and saying everything confidently. That is what we want,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So please, Sureka ma'am, please introduce yourself.
I am complete engineering, electronics and telecommunication. बस
You have
और
completed electronics engineering from which college, Sureka ma'am?
मैं औरंगाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी.
And
Yes.
it's where? Can you please name the state?
State Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay. So you're currently in Maharashtra?
हाँ, yes.
It's
Currently
raining
in
over there.
Maharashtra. Yes.
It's
Sorry.
raining over there in Maharashtra, ma'am.
No, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया
अच्छा
क्या.
सुरेखा मैम मैं पूछ रही थी कि बारिश हो रही है वहाँ?
नहीं बारिश नहीं हुई.
बारिश नहीं हो रही?
नहीं.
मोस्टली मॉनसून महाराष्ट्र में जल्दी आ जाता है राजस्थान से.
हाँ, सही बात है. अभी तो
हाँ,
नहीं आया.
अभी नहीं आया.
तो रुक के चलता है.
प्लीज हमें बताना ताकि हमें भी पता चल जाए when it is coming in Rajasthan. We
Yes,
at least
बिल्कुल.
get an idea.
Yes.
Mona ma'am, please introduce yourself. You're facing issues with the internet, right?
हाय,
Hello Mona ma'am. Hello Mona ma'am.
आपका वीडियो देखा बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank you
वीडियो देख
so much Mona ma'am.
मैं मोना पारस्कर, मैं कोलकाता से हूँ. लेकिन मैं महाराष्ट्र से हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ रहती हूँ. मैं कोलकाता में हस्बैंड की जॉब है यहाँ पे.
Okay.
और मेरा बीएससी कंप्लीट है, लेकिन मेरा पूरा हिंदी मीडियम से हुआ है मेरा. तो अभी मैं इंग्लिश अभी जस्ट एडमिशन लिया है, 3 क्लास मैंने की है. और उसके बाद यही सर की क्लास ज्वाइन करती हूँ, ज्यादा उसमें ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हूँ. आपके वीडियो से मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के, ज्यादा मतलब मोटिवेट मिलता है कि नहीं ये ठीक है, ये ऐसे जैसा आपने बताया है वीडियो में कुछ मतलब इंग्लिश बुक पढ़ना है, ये सब मैंने देखा तो मुझे अच्छा लगा वो सब देख के.
हाँ प्लीज मैं यही बोलने वाली थी. अगर आप सब इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट इम्प्रूविंग योर इंग्लिश ना, द बेस्ट वे इज टू स्टार्ट रीडिंग. नाउ प्रॉब्लम इज लोग क्या करते हैं, व्हेन यू से स्टार्ट रीडिंग पीपल टेक आउट देयर सेल फोन्स और पीपल टेक आउट देयर न्यूज़पेपर्स फर्स्ट. न्यूज़पेपर्स में आई डोंट थिंक एनी वन ऑफ यू विल बी इंटरेस्टेड, राइट? हु इज इंटरेस्टेड इन न्यूज़पेपर्स? फर्स्ट थिंग इज नो वन इज इंटरेस्टेड इन न्यूज़पेपर्स दैट मच. सेकंड, न्यूज़पेपर्स में इतनी पॉजिटिव न्यूज आती भी नहीं है कि आप उन्हें बार बार पढ़ पाओ या हर रोज पढ़ पाओ. So you have to motivate yourself to really get out of your bed and pick the newspaper and read the newspaper, right? So it's a very tried and tested thing, not very possible. So the best thing you can do is start with anything that you really like. For example, I'll take with Ranveer sir. So you might be interested in defense a lot, right? So you can start with any defense related novel or defense related journal that comes, anything that you're interested in. उससे क्या होगा, you won't have to force yourself. And the best thing about learning is not forcing yourself. If you want to learn anything, the first thing is do not force yourself for it. Commitment, dedication is a very different thing. Commitment होना चाहिए, dedication होना चाहिए towards things, और आपको बोलना चाहिए कि नहीं, that I'll come. For example, I have seen all of you attend your regular classes and you come for this class as well, right? So that is dedication. But the thing is, do not force yourself to study anything that is not for you. So start with something that is really great. Like you can start with any novel. Like for example, I write novels also, but I read novels a lot, because for writing, reading is very important. You cannot write unless you really read well, because when you read, you get to know how the other person writes, what is the format of writing different things. So that is the way you can actually learn.